For the longest time, I never wanted to comment on the political issues of our country. I felt like one, I don't have the authority to do it. Second is, it's just so magulo. Sobrang gulo na ayaw ko na makisawsaw. And most of the times, when I see people commenting about our political status, it ends up like a negative thing. It's like an energy downer. And I don't want to do that. But as I've been thinking lately, I realized that if I don't say anything, it's like telling my children that it's okay. Especially when I think about my children, when I ask myself deep within, what kind of country do I want them to grow up? What kind of country do I want them to know? Do I want them to just say, Pilipinas, wala nang pag-asa? Mag-abroad na lang. I have